Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, The Life Science Educator. Today we are going to discuss about another new topic, that is ozone layer. So now first let us discuss about what is ozone. Ozone is a molecule formed by three atoms of oxygen, and ozone is a deadly poison. However, at higher levels of the atmosphere, it performs an essential function. So the ozone layer, it shields the Earth's surface from ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. This radiation is highly damaging to organisms and can cause skin cancer in humans. So now let us see how the ozone layer is formed in the atmosphere. Ozone at the higher levels of the atmosphere is a product of UV radiation acting on oxygen. The UV radiations split apart molecular oxygen into free oxygen atoms. These atoms then combine to form ozone layer. So here you can see the oxygen, when it reacts with the UV radiation, it splits apart into oxygen atoms, and these oxygen atoms combine with the oxygen molecule and form the ozone. So now let us see how this ozone layer is getting depleted. The amount of the ozone in the atmosphere began to drop sharply in the 1980s. Here you can see the ozone depletion. So this decline has been linked to synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons, which are used as refrigerants and in fire extinguishers. So the measures have been taken to ban these chlorofluorocarbons. And in 1987, the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP succeeded in forging an agreement to freeze CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbons production, at 1986 levels. So it is now mandatory for all companies to make chlorofluorocarbon free refrigerators throughout the world. So it is necessary to protect the ozone layer to minimize the UV radiations. So to protect the ozone layer, we have to reduce the ozone depleting substances and use eco-friendly products, and also we have to plant the trees. So it is our responsibility to protect the ozone layer. I hope you have understood about the importance of ozone layer. In the next video, we will discuss about another important topic. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.